èmi ti gbọ́ ohùn Olúwa tó wí pé báwa arákùnrin o iye nínú ọgbà àjàrà Olúwa ẹ̀ sì máa kọrin. Báwa arákùnrin o iye nínú ọgbà àjàrà Olúwa ẹ̀ sì máa kọrin.
Oyamini, Assistant Legal Advisor, Ekinasho. APC. Ṣùgbọ́n bá a ṣe ń retí kan débí, màá padà pé bíṣù.
APC. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí alukoro ṣe sọ wípé àwọn tí ó wà ní bíbá yìí ní ká fi ọ̀nà egbò wa àgbà ẹgbẹ́ ni Dayọ̀ Alábí. Ẹni tí ó tẹ̀lé wọn Arógundádé.
APC next level. APC.
Ìyáàfin Rachel Akínwùmí pẹ́pọ̀ bọ̀tàwọn tí ó wà níbi tí ojú mi lọ sí ara wọn tí wọ́n wà dáa Ògèdèngbé Sunday.
Family members gbogbo wọn pátápátá to produce local government party council chairmen, to produce ward councillors, to produce SSAs, to produce commissioners, to produce reps, to produce senators. Ẹjọ́ state house kò yóò gbìyànjú. My emerity All Progressive Congress APC remains the only party to align with in this present political dispensation. I congratulate all other decampees across Ekiti torí gbogbo bí gbogbo wa ti fẹ́ ṣe registration gbogbo wọn ti dé wọn ti wà lé. Currently embarking on this laudable registration exercise across the 16 local government areas. All TKO followers in their multitudes are currently registering into APC across the state. I congratulate all for the decision taken to be in the moving train of progress and democratic dividend for all Ekiti people. Today, we can beat our chest and say we are in safe hands in a secured All Progressive Congress driven by the state chairman, Honorable Paul Omotosho, and God-sent Governor of Ekiti State, Dr. John Kayode Fayemi. We are lucky to have the person of the Governor of Ekiti State leading all state governors in Nigeria without blemish, and is being honored all over the country. He is a man we should be proud to send to the next level in Nigeria. I want to appreciate President Muhammadu Buhari for the selfless leadership style he is using in governing Nigeria and the roles he is playing in maintaining peace and unity among members of the APC. At this juncture, I congratulate our leaders and members of the APC in Ekiti, Irepodu Ifelodun local government and the state for this event. I will urge us all to keep the flag flying and mobilize more people to join the moving train of APC as we begin the party membership registration. Let us join hands with the national leadership of the party and those at the state level towards the 2022 governorship election. We must retain the governorship seat and the presidential seat come 2023. We have only one party executive council in APC Ekiti State, and it must remain so. Let us support our chairman, Barrister Paul Omotosho, and others. Let us keep following Governor Kayode Fayemi for the development of our dear state. àdúpẹ́ o APC APC APC.
With due respect, sir, the local government party chairman.
APC. Wọ́n bí òye. Ọ̀nàdébù tọ́pẹ́ ni o. Ṣé ìgbà ọlé? Ṣé ìgbà ọlé? Ṣé ìgbà ọlé? Wọ́n bí ọgbà ọlé o. Lórúkọ àbí ọdún yìí sábà.
APC orúkọ APC ní ìrẹ́pọ̀dùn ìfẹ́lódùn mo fa àbúrò mi Dr. Tọ́pẹ́ Aluko ní alága mi bámbam lọ́wọ́ o.
Alága o! Alága o! Ètùmọ̀rẹ́ déwọ́lé kó wàhálà.
Ní orúkọ ẹgbẹ́ Chief Dr. T.K. Aluko wọlé sínú ẹgbẹ́ APC ní orúkọ ti bàbá ti ọmọ àti ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́. National level. Mo kí wa wá kúṣẹ́ o. Mo ní àwọn àgbààgbà ẹgbẹ́ wa ní ìyìnwọ́ bí mo ti rí àwọn leaders mi lóríṣiríṣi. Mo ní láti kí yín dáadáa láti kí pé ẹ kú àdúró ti ẹgbẹ́. A rí i pé ẹ dúró ti ẹgbẹ́ yìí gbọ́ la máa jèrè ẹgbẹ́ yìí o. Mo dẹ̀ ní láti sọ fún wa pé bí a ṣe ń ṣe iṣẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ yìí ká túbọ̀ máa ṣe dáadáa o. Àlàyé fún ọ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn náà ò gbé ní Èkìtì. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ti sọ fún wa pé táwọn bá dé wọn á wá sí TKO Aluko into our party, the All Progressives Congress, and I've just said it that this is not a strange thing to us, those of us that are ESCO members and those of us that are working with TKO as a person in APC. He has been here for a very long time, and I want to say that yes, at least he's been working with us spiritually from time. Now that he's declaring openly, it is because he has decided to come and do it today. When he came, he wanted to see, to know the procedures for his declaration, and he came to us, he visited us, we discussed a lot. We told him he has needed to come to the world to declare, and that is exactly what he's doing this morning. And we are here because of that purpose. We are here to honor him, and we are here to receive him, and this we have just done is already a Bonafide member of APC, the All Progressives Congress in the state and in Nigeria as a whole as well. And I've just told my people that yes, I needed to really thank them for the support they've been giving to the party, the executive members, the leaders of the party in Iwobi, and all the members of the party here. We can see the enormity of what they have been doing for the progress of our party in Ekiti State. And we are having no doubt that the coming in of a TKO to our party is going to be added advantage, because you know him is very, very influential and is always prepared to do his best wherever he belongs and wherever he finds himself. Now that he has found himself in APC, I know he's going to deliver, and he will deliver more than ever in the new Ward B. And at the same time, like he has rightly said, he's all over the state, and his followers are equally the campaign, and they are all coming to register in the APC as the exercise commences from now. And I've said it, we know him very well. We don't have any fear, we don't have any reason to be that of support. I will encourage him to always do the best. I will equally expect that he will do more than he has done for the PDP when the PDP was in the southern Ekiti state and in Nigeria as well. Today is our day. We are very happy, and we have said it as well. It's not just an ordinary member, it's a very big fish. He's coming, and he's coming with his own multitude, and we don't have any fear at all. We're sure that at least when it comes for the next governorship election in Ekiti State, is going to be a walkover, clear walkover against the PDP. We are expecting more of his kind to come into our party, and that he has come in to APC. We are sure that he's going to really commence full mobilization, and as expected, it's a bulldozer, and I'm sure it's going to bulldoze the PDP until the PDP is nowhere to be found. So that's true. We really rely on him, and we rely on God. We're sure that yes, as he has come, we are definitely going to record successes. Thank you. Today, we expect that new members should come in and get registered. Genuine members should come into our party and register. And those that are existing members of this party should equally come and revalidate their membership, and it shall be well with us. Thank you very much.
Ara àwọn àgbà ẹgbẹ́ àtàwọn tó ti wọ́n pe Ṣífà Arógundádé, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má bínú.
Dr. Chief Tope Aluko, known as TKO, I'm from Ekiti, Irekwadun Felodun in Ekiti State.
Okay, why do you consider it necessary to dump your former party, the PDP, for APC?
Well, what is happening is I have come home to stay. I want to be at peace with myself, and I'm joining the train that is delivering the dividend of democracy to Ekiti State people. That is my goal. My goal is to ensure that the dividend of democracy is delivered to Ekiti populace. And I found out that APC is the best train that can do that. And I'm also at peace with myself because I'm back at home.
Okay, sir,
If you look at me, it is not every day that we go to war. If you look at me, it is not every day that we go to war. At times you have to come. I'm a grandpa now. I have to be at peace with myself. That is why I'm here.
okay, as APC commences the registration.
Everywhere now getting ready to register. They are everywhere. All TKO followers are moving en masse into APC. You can see from the evidence here. You could see the multitude of TKO people that are here. So they are moving en masse all over the state, all over the 16 local government area. While they are registering, they are getting ready to register, and they are going to stay permanently in APC.
There is this allegation I want you to debunk.
You all know, every time I talk, I always say I am in PDP. Up till yesterday, I was in PDP. I have always been in PDP, but I'm now coming to rest. I'm coming home to rest.
As you joined the APC today.
Some of those young boys, they don't follow history. If they follow history, they will know that where I stay, I stay.
Sir, as you joined the party today, no doubt, as you are coming to the party, what is your word of advice to those leaders that are agreeing at the moment?
Me, I am coming in, and I have absolute respect for offices. I have absolute respect for Governor Kayode Fayemi, who is the governor of the state. I align solely with Governor Kayode Fayemi. I would just advise every other person to give peace a chance and align solely with him, because it is through him that the train can move effectively to the next level and there can be continuity. I have experienced it once. I know what happened when there is a lot of anarchy, aggrieved members. It is the team that we lose and not just one person. So we should all go back in APC. That is my advice. Be a team with Governor Kayode Fayemi and let's move forward. Everybody will still get a peace out of it. But if you continue to fight each other, then there's. But what I have noticed is I've seen just one big APC here today. The SA Political is here. The business leader, the SA Political is here. The business leader in the House of Assembly is there. The House of Assembly member for this constituency is here. The chairman, local government party is here. The council local government is here. The deputy speaker, that's the highest political office holder on ground, has sent a representative. And then you could see that the state chairman is here, the state deputy chairman who's overlooking this area is here, the state PRO. I'm overjoyed with the welcome they have given me. And I promise them I will not disappoint them. I will try all my possible best for them, for the party, for Ekiti State.
Okay, thank you. Maybe the last question.
In December, I told Dr. Yes, in December, I told Dr. Ayodele Fayose, my brother and my mentor, that I am leaving extensive and political activities in PDP. that I am settling down in Inyekiti. I am the Ejemo of this town. That means I am the head of my family dynasty. So I am more on ground, and then I have to settle back into Inyi. And when you look at Inyi, Inyi is traditionally an APC town. There is no way I'll be in Inyi and I'll be in PDP. At the end of the day, as a chief, what will happen? Will I not be fighting against my people? So he said, okay, if that is what is happening, I'm free. That's what he said. It's not going to strain. And you know that if you look at him properly, he's a leader that cut across. So he's a leader that cut across. So we all equally understand if something is good for your town or something is good for his local government or for Ekiti, he will give his approval. That security issues has always been there. It is just the advancement in technology that is now bringing it to our doorsteps. You know, before, if anything is happening in Oyo, it may take 2 months to get to Inyekiti. It is because that it is happening, it is at your doorstep. That is why we think that there is a lot of upsurge in it. But in actual fact, it has always been with us. And it is not only President Buhari that we tackle it. Another president coming will also tackle it. Another president after him will tackle it, because there will always be security issues. But what we are praying for is that they should not overwhelm us. We should, as a matter of deliberate policy, from the grassroots, from our individual homes, tackle this security issue so that we'll be able to say that we are safe in Nigeria. And I think that's what my party APC stands for.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.